In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check Windows 11 specs. Knowing your PC's hardware details helps you decide if your computer can handle a new game, a design tool, or a major update, and it's also useful when you're troubleshooting or planning an upgrade. Let's start by opening the Settings app. Press the Windows key and the letter I on your keyboard at the same time. The Windows key is the one with the Windows logo, usually near the spacebar. This shortcut is the quickest way to get to Settings. If the shortcut doesn't respond, don't worry. You can also open the Start menu and search for Settings to get to the same place. Once Settings is open, you're ready for the next part. Inside Settings, look for the category called System. It's typically at the top of the left sidebar and may be selected by default. Click System to open the main system page. This is where Windows 11 groups controls and information related to your display, sound, storage, and, most importantly for us, your device details. Now scroll down the system page until you find the About option and select it. About is usually near the bottom of the list. This page is designed to give you a snapshot of your computer's hardware and Windows version in one place, so it's the perfect spot to check your specs. On the About page, focus on the section labeled Device Specifications. Here you'll see three key pieces of information. First is Processor. This shows the manufacturer and model of your CPU, along with its base speed. Knowing this helps you compare performance and check software requirements. Next is Installed RAM. This is the amount of memory your computer has, which affects how many apps and browser tabs you can run smoothly at once. If you see a note like usable memory being slightly less than installed, that's often normal due to hardware reservations. Finally, check system type. Most modern PCs will show 64-bit operating system and an x64-based processor. This matters because certain apps and drivers require 64-bit Windows to run correctly. While you're here, you might also glance at the Windows Specifications section just below. It lists your edition and version of Windows 11, which is helpful when following software instructions that mention specific versions. If you want to keep a record of your specs, you can jot them down or take a quick screenshot for future reference. And that's it. Quick, clear, and right from within Windows. Thanks for watching. And now you know exactly where to find your Windows 11 specs whenever you need them.